Guys, we're at the lagoon. Say hi, Ev.
What's up?
So what are we gonna do?
Go fishing?
Yeah, we're fishing the afternoon here. A little Saturday afternoon, day before Father's Day. Probably won't see this video though for a while, but we're gonna try to get some bass. We need to get Evan on some bass. He wasn't able to catch one that last trip. So, you ready to catch some?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. See you guys out there. All right, got the deep dive rig in. Yeah. That quick, huh?
Oh, it's big. Let's go.
Real.
Oh yeah.
Real.
Go. First fish.
Real.
Look at that bend. Get it.
Easy catch. Let's go.
Man,
Of course.
are you gonna keep him?
Yeah. Oh no, I will. I'm not gonna keep him.
First fish. I mean, yeah.
Boom. Told you what spot to cast, huh?
Yep.
Little fatty.
Try it out.
Good hook.
Can I show the people?
Of course. I need a fire. That guy was never ever coming off. He took so good.
Really? He ate my bait, right?
Look at that
Okay,
fatty.
hold it so I can carry it.
To the back camera.
First fish of the day, probably 1.5 pounder.
Yeah. We'll take a picture. Yeah. Woo. All right. You just pull it with your hand too. Yeah. It was a weird bite. Oh no! It came off. Look, but I just.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Can I net it?
No. They're moving on this corner. I just let my bait sit there. All right.
Both of us, one fish.
All right. Got one.
It's nibbling on mine. Look. Let's go. Yep.
Yeah.
Little baby, yep.
Yeah.
Yep, his little nibble. Ready?
I got one too.
2. Great idea.
Yeah, I got one.
Okay. Yeah. Ah.
That's pretty heavy. Yes.
Mine's bleeding.
Okay. He's fine. Nice job. I'm glad we made that decision. Show this guy, okay? We're good?
Little smallie. He's bleeding, but he's okay.
Go, little dude. Yeah. Later.
Yeah.
I think mine's like a 2 pounder. Ooh. Nice. That's 2 pounds.
How much was he? 1.
I think they like the Slim Pro C3 baits. Nice. Pig. Keep that tip up. Ooh, that is a good one. And that was a little guy.
Same one?
No, he's a little bit bigger this time. Yeah. Hold on,
I
guy.
said, I'll tell you how it is. That's how it is.
Perfect.
He's like my age, right?
There we go. Yeah.
Third fish of the day. Sweet. Nice one.
My bait came loose from the snag I was on and the fish ate it. Oh, my worm. Ah, there goes the one.
That's the same?
Same one. Same style.
Same
Because my weight broke off, that's why.
Is that my same fish?
No.
I thought you said same one.
Same style.
Oh.
Ah, same size. Okay. Little dude.
Wait,
He's going after it. He's going after it. Got him. Oh no, he was big. He came off, dude. Oh no. Oh, he was a fatty, dude.
Oh, wait, still on it.
Got one. No?
Oh, yep. That one. There he is. A new fish. Four fish. Fourth fish.
Hard.
Get this?
Oh,
Fourth fish, baby.
let's go. Okay, my spot.
Oh, nibble, nibble.
Yeah.
Nibble. Nibble, nibble. Nibble, nibble. Nibble, nibble. Fish! Fish. Yeah, he's on. He's tiny. Yeah. Is he on? Yeah, he's on. He's just tiny. Oh. Oh, it's actually a big one. Big. Get it, get it.
Oh, it's a big one.
Like 2-pounder. Fifth fish.
Oh, look how fat and healthy that guy is.
Fat, baby. Oh, where did I hook him? Good hook set again. Put it over.
Look at that chunko. Now let's take a picture of you with that guy.
Sweet.
A little higher.
Fifth fish.
Yeah, now picture.
How much?
1.8, exactly like your other one. It's like a school of
Wait,
1.8.
is it the exact one?
No, we haven't. We haven't.
Okay. I got it. 5 fish to 3 fish. Daddy, I think since I'm catching more than you, I think you're about to be such a huge fish.
I almost had you. I had one for a second there, right?
Nibble, nibble.
Lift up real. You got one. Lift over.
6 fish. Woo!
Let him go. Let him run a little bit.
Record
Nice and
that
slow. Yeah.
on your chest. Good job.
Yeah. Keep the tip up and just don't horse him too much. It's a good one. Yeah.
6 fish.
Woo! We have to let.
Big.
Yeah, that's 2. That's over 2.
Fake one.
I think that's just very similar. Maybe a little heavier. Hold him tight. Hold him tight. You got him.
Making me bleed more than I'm making him.
Hold him up.
6 fish. Yeah.
Evan.
6
Awesome.
fish.
Good
I
quality.
think I'm bleeding literally.
Bass right there. Nice job. Got one. This is a little guy. Oh. Yeah.
Nice fish.
Thanks. Little dude. Going. It's a big one.
Did it go off?
Yeah.
Oh, nibble.
Yeah? Set it. Yeah. Let's go. That's a good one. Keep it up. Keep it up. This work. Keep it up. Keep the tip up. That's a good one. Keep that tip up. Yeah. Oh, it's a crappie. It's a monster crappie. Yes. Let's freaking go. What's up? Hey, what's happening, dude?
Wait, there's crappies down here?
Oh, that's a good one. I totally thought that was Drew for a second. Where's Drew at? We'll have fun up there. Yeah, we had some good bites over here for sure.
7 fish.
Look at that crappie, dude. He's
7 fish.
Woo.
Crappie.
Hold on.
7 fish.
Let's go with the crappie.
Where do I put it?
Here, we're level. That's a beauty. Woo! Like another one. Oh, dude.
5.
Three, they're loaded. If you want me to take you back there in a second. Oh, there's one. There's a better one. There's one. Oh, it's another crappie. Yep, a good one. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Freaking awesome, dude. Let's go, baby. Dude, let's freaking go. These are nice crappie. They're so dark. I've never seen them this dark. Crappie. The Viking head. Dark one. Real pretty. Heads up. Crappie in the Viking head. Woo! Let's go, baby. Holy moly. What a day. Go back. Go back a little. Okay. What's up, guys? So that was an epic little bite there. It had been slow the last few weeks, and with that weather warming up, it was really, really nice, and we were catching a bunch. How many did you get?
7.
At least 7. A big crappie, a couple good quality bass for you, me too. Nothing huge. I lost 2 big ones though. I had the one out in front of the boat on the graph, on the scope.
And he got 5.
And then that was a solid. And then I lost the one in the reeds, which is a chunk, but it's tough, you know. They're so close to cover, they get snagged up on the reeds and grass, whatever. But anyway, but no, that was fun. That was a good bite. We were due for catching a bunch, especially with you not catching some last time. We came out and had redemption on them today. That was so fun. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.
Peace.